Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Rio. Today's video is going to be another collaboration with my small YouTubers international family. Today we'll be talking about summer look, tips and tricks, life hacks, and all that good stuff. So if you want to see them, check them out here. With my life hacks, tips and tricks for this summer. Sun is up, temperature is rising, sobrang init sa labas, sunscreen is your best friend. Not only for summer but all year round. And I get it, most of the sunscreens out there may white cast talaga siya and very sticky. My first tip is to mix your sunscreen with your foundation or a concealer that is very near your skin. So, first I have this Biore UV Aqua Watery Essence SPF 50 PA++++. And also I have another one. This is Nivea Sun Protect Water Gel Super SPF 50 PA+++. Both of them won't give you white cast nor a sticky feeling, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be using them as if they have white cast. So first, get a good amount of sunscreen at the back of your hand. Then mix it with your concealer or a foundation that is very near to your color. For me, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. It will tone down the white cast of your sunscreen. At the same time, it will give you even coverage sa mukha nyo to even out your skin tone. Tip number 2, cream blushes and lip tints, cheek tints are much more suitable sa gantong weather. Sa sobrang init, mas matagal yung lasting power niya sa skin nyo and hindi siya agad huhulas. So what I have is this EV Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Very Red. So what I'm going to do is just take a small amount of product, ganito lang kaliit. Tapos I will make a letter C here. So alam niyo na kung paano nyo trip gumawa ng blush nyo, go lang. So, you can set your tint with the powder blush para ma-set in place lang siya. Or you can proceed with the powder. This is what I like to use. This is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Long Lasting UV Cake Powder. This has SPF 34 PA+++. And this is good because powder na siya with sunscreen, so you can always be assured na meron ka pa ring sunscreen sa mukha mo. This is just a refill. Siguro nasa 100 plus lang to. This is how it looks like. I have been using it for a very long time now and hindi pa rin talaga ako naka-heat pan sa kanya. It comes with a sponge, so if you're outside, you can even just use the sponge it came with. Hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng brush. If your body is getting dehydrated with water because of the summer heat, ganun din yung face nyo. So, for my tip number 4, make a face mist. So, you can use aloe vera gel mixed with mineral water, or you can use rose water, mint water, and then mix it with mineral water. For me, what I did was rose mint water in a container like this. This is just a spray mist. So, bring this with you everywhere you go para kung medyo feeling nyo dehydrated na yung mukha nyo, Use this to refresh your face, and also this will help you dahil nga powder ang gamit nyo for sunscreen. This will melt the powder in your skin. So, we're already okay with the face. Let's go with the hair. Kung nasa labas kayo, especially if you are running errands outside, naglalakad papunta sa MRT or something like that, sa sobrang init, sa pawis, sa pollution, yung buhok nyo magiging flat yan. So what I can suggest is that bring a baby powder with you. Something like this. You can just put some powder in your fingertips and then massage it into your hair roots like that. And this will give you a little bit of volume sa inyong buhok. So after shower, what I usually do is that I use this one. This is the Milcu Underarm and Foot Deodorant Powder. I use this in every fold sa katawan ko. Sa kilikili, sa singit, or kung pawisin ng paa nyo, you can also put this one. This is an antibacterial powder that can help you eliminate yung amoy ng kilikili nyo. So, especially pag nagpapawis tayo, hindi maiiwasan na medyo mag-amoy pawis tayo and bacteria goes to places na medyo mabasa-basa. So, now for my tip number 6, if you can wear light-colored shirts or blouse, the better. Kasi yung darker colors, it will attract more heat, kaya medyo mas maiinitan kayo at mapapawisan kayo. So, stay away from darker colors, especially yung colors na pag nabasa yung kilikili nyo, kitang-kita yung baskil talaga. If you can't really avoid wearing dark shirts or yung mga t-shirt na makikita yung basa ng kilikili nyo, this is my tip for you. So, tip number 7, use a panty liner under your shirt. Parang ganito. So, what you have to do is that, yung isi-stick nyo siya ng ganyan. So, pinagdidikitan ng kilikili nyo, stick nyo siya. Remove the back side, yun ang stick nyo sa t-shirt nyo, and this side, the absorbent side, will be facing your underarm. This will give you 3 things. First, hindi nakita yung baskil mo. Second, it will absorb any sweat sa kilikili mo. And third, most girls know this, fresh ang scent ng panty liner. So, talagang kahit magtataasan ka ng kilikili, fresh na fresh ang amoy sa kilikili mo. Tip number 8, I know that you like to smell good all the time. For me, I can recommend going for a citrusy fresh scent, especially sa gantong init, kasi it can alleviate yung amoy ng pawis mo. For me, what I prefer is yung D&G Light Blue, Giorgio Armani na Acqua di Gio, or Davidoff na Cool Water. Yun, fresh scented talaga yun. But if you're in a tight budget, you can always go for this one. These are my favorites. Actually, cologne siya ng aking anak. This one is from Baby Besh. This one is bubblegum, and this one is ice mint. This one I prefer more. Mas madami ko pang beses siyang nagagamit kesa sa anak ko. Kasi I really like the scent na medyo fresh lang ako at baby smelling. Parang gano'n. Tip number 9, always wear your eyeglasses. It's not only for a fashion statement, it is also for protection. Kasi kung nasa labas tayo, especially yung mga nasa Pilipinas na namamasahe or naglalakad sa init ng araw, you need protection para sa mata mo. Kasi pagka wala, you will always squint like this. Ikukunot mo yung noo mo na ganito, nagka-wrinkles ka na sa pagkunot ng noo, hindi niya matatakpan ng mata mo. Always bring your eyeglasses on. So, ito ang sa akin. So, ito ang aking mamahaling eyeglasses na nagkakahalagang 800 fils. Which is 80 pesos yata to sa Daiso. Ayan. Or you can go for very, very reflectorized like this one. Para summer na summer ang feel. Ayan. Ganyan. Always, always, always bring your eyeglasses kasi very, very important siya. Also, don't forget to bring fan with you. Any fan will do basta magamit nyong ipamaypay. Sa sobrang init sa atin, sa sobrang humid, kailangan talaga siya. For me, I prefer yung mga pinamimigay sa election, yung default na ganun, kasi space saver siya. So, for the commuters, huwag nyong kakalimutan ang payong nyo. Kasi super, super, super init sa atin, and talaga namang nakakalusaw siya ng makeup. Isipin nyo na lang kung direkta yung sinag ng araw sa mukha nyo, kung anong skincare meron kayo dyan, wala na siyang effect kasi nalusaw na niya. One more important thing, bring a wet wipes with you. Napaka-importante nito. You can use it if you want to remove your makeup, especially sa Pilipinas, lahat ng pollution kumakapit sa mukha mo. So if you want to freshen up, you can use this one to remove your makeup, or you can wipe your hands. If you want to go to the public toilet, you can use this as well. If you have a kid, especially, very, very, very handy siya. So always bring this with you para laging feeling fresh. So tip number 10, it's actually not a tip but a friendly reminder to everyone na magdala ng tubig nila everywhere you go. Kasi at least yung ganito, kasya lang siya sa bag nyo, or kahit hindi ganito, kung meron kayong sariling container, bring water with you everywhere. Kasi napaka-importante niya. Mahirap uminom sa labas, hindi nyo alam kung saan nanggagaling yung tubig na yun. Kahit yung bumibili ka sa labas, hindi mo alam kung talaga bang tubig yun o nirepackage na lang nila. So, very important, always, always, always bring your water with you para kung saan ka man abutin ng uhaw mo, you have something to drink para ma-feel fresh at ma-rehydrate ang iyong katawan. So, those are my life hacks, tips, and tricks for you guys. I hope it helped, and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next upload. Also, very, very, very important, all my friends' channels are linked below in the description box. So after this video, you can jump to them and support them as well and tell them that you came from me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!